Neelambari, if I were to kind of elaborate on it as a raga as a whole, it's a janya, if I'm not wrong, of Shankarabharanam raga, but it's very different. It's very playful and very lullabic in nature. There's a beautiful Tyagaraja Kriti that goes, Uyalalugaviya Shri Rama Uyalalugaviya Madhava Mamavadeva Krishna. It can be confused with the ragam of Kedaram, but Kedaram goes pa sa pa magari ga magari sa ni pa, but Neelambari goes ga ma pa 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 da pa pa magari sa pa sa pa pa കാന്തനോടു ചെന്നു മെല്ലെ കിളിമൊഴി ശുചമിഹവദ കാന്തനോടു. And it has a very motherly feeling for this raga. It's known to be used in a lot of different lullabies and things like that, those type of compositions, and Harshabasham Tugi is exactly in that line. I'm sure Dakshamurti Swami, being the purist that he was, Swami Namalkellaram, he was a master of Carnatic music, and every raga that he kind of utilized in his film compositions, whether it was Begada, Innale nee oru sundara ragamayan, or even the Manasilunaru when he uses Purvi Kalyani, Manasilunaru Usha Sandhyayai, even the Anupalliviyada, which is loosely based in Saranga. Nava Nava Mohangal Nartanam Cheyunna Nada Manohara Layaravil Nava Nava Mohangal. He's a brilliant composer, and when it came to Carnatic music, he was a full domineering force in that domain as well. And if you look at the way he composed this, even the interludes helped with R.K. Shekhar sir helped him with these interludes as well, I'm sure, with Sagama Papa Mamaga Sani Pani Sa 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 Harsha Bashpam Tugi Pani Pasa Varsha Panjami Vannu. But where you can see the full essence of the raga in this composition is Vinnile Sudhakarano Nipatamaga Gama Pani Sa Sa Ni Da Ni Sa Ni Pa Pada Sa Ni Da Pada Maga Gama Pada Ni Pa Magari Gamaga Sa. This is a different raga and a different song, but I want to kind of bridge into this as well. Ponveil Manikachayazhinju Veenu Swarna Pidambaramoolanju Veenu Kannante മന്മഥലീലാ വിനോദങ്ങൾ സുന്ദരി വനറാണിയനുകരിച്ചു സുന്ദരി വനറാണി അനുകരിച്ചു. And that is Dakshamurti Swami in a nutshell, the way he can incorporate light classical elements. Leela Vinodangal or Harsha Bashpam. Innu ninde chindagale pamaga arunartunnu sakhi arunartunnu. Thank you.